Hi, good evening. I'm making a demo video because my colleague, the delivery guy, he will come, he will fit all the wires, he will install the printer, but he might not be able to give you the whole demo. So I'm making one video to show you how the software works. When you first open the software, obviously it will ask for the password. The manager password is 123 and the normal staff member password is 111. Later you can remove the password, or if you want to change it, you can change it as well. So once you log in, you will see this main screen. All your products are here: accessories, labor, parts, helmets. If you click on accessories, it will show accessories. If you click on parts, it will show parts, and helmet will show the helmet, and obviously the labor will show the labor as well. So if you're taking a normal order without any repair job, for example, somebody came into your shop and he just want one helmet, you can just click on the helmet and press pay. If he's paying cash, how much cash he's paying, 50 pound, 40 pound, and you can click here. Or if the amount of money he's paying is not here, you can type in as well. Let's say he's paying 32 pound to you. You can write 32 and press cash. Uh, and it will show you the change on your screen as well. It will show the change on the back screen as well. For customer, it will open the cash drawer and print one receipt as well. So this is how you take the cash order. I will save this receipt as a one because I don't have a printer installed, so I'm saving it on the screen. Now, if somebody come in for a repair purpose, you can go to the jobs. In the jobs, when you log into the job, you need to press add job, and then first thing you need to give the make here. So whatever is the make is, you type here make cycle and then the model, and then repair. What is the repair? So faulty brakes need replacement, and then everything else, and then you can do the date, the promised date. Everything else you leave it as it is. Color, you can write the color as well. Labor deposit status, leave as it is. You don't need to do anything, just leave as it is. Later we will remove this section because it was making it complicated. So after sending you the last video, we decided to remove this three feature, hide it from here. But for now, you just ignore it. In our next update later this week, we will completely remove it. I'm waiting for you to give me the feedback. So once you got the Epos system, obviously you will give us some feedback as well, and then we will do everything together. We will remove these, and based on your feedback, we will make some more changes in the software as well. So once you've done everything, if you got a signature pad, I know you did not requested the signature pad, and the price I've given you 1250 is without signature pad, but still I've sent a signature pad with my delivery driver. So when he's coming, if you're interested in signature pad, we can give it for 50 pound extra. So you double click on no image data, and then you can take the signature here, press OK, and then you make a customer. So to make a customer, you need to go to find, add customer, write the customer name. So I'll write my name here, Ahmed, and then the customer telephone number. And after telephone number, address is optional, postcode is optional, email address, account limit, balance amount, everything else is optional. You just press save. Once this customer is created, you double click on this customer and it will be added. It will be linked with this job, and you press continue. So now after pressing continue, you can charge the customer for labor. For example, service basic and brake adjustment, and then you can charge for the parts as well, and then press pay. If customer is not paying anything at this stage, you just press not paid. The Okay, so at the moment, because when we was making the customer, we did not give the customer enough credit limit. So I'll increase the credit limit for the customer. So I'll assign them a credit limit because the limit is zero. So I'll assign it 1,000 pounds. So we can give him credit, and then continue. So now we'll press pay. So everything else stays the same. Now we press pay and do not paid. And this is the job receipt. I'll show you how it will look like later. So I'll close the software, show you the job receipts. On the top is your logo, your address, then all the parts and the service, and then what's the not paid amount, customer name, address, telephone number, everything, and then your terms and condition here, whatever you send me, customer signature, and then VAT. We can remove this VAT. If it's not your VAT number, we can remove it. So this is how your receipt will look like. I'll book another job just to make sure you know everything. So I'll book another job. So again, we'll go to job. We will go to add job. This time we'll write make BMW model. I'll do X5 and then repair faulty brake. Uh, Promise date, we are promising on 18th of September. There's no deposit, everything is blank. Then customer, we go to find, we press add customer and then give customer name. So this is the telephone number, name, credit limit. We will assign a credit limit to customer. Later I'll remove this credit limit as well because it's not applicable on your environment. And then everything else you leave it blank. Press save. The customer is added. Now you double click on the customer, double tap, and it will come here. You will come back to the job screen. You double click on image data to take the customer signature. Press OK. Yes, the signature is there. Now you press continue and you take the parts order and then press pay. If it's not paid, you do not pay. If customer is paying you advance or upfront, you can do cash and give the amount, what amount they're paying. For example, if they're paying you 50 pound, if they're paying by credit card, you can press credit card as well. So at the moment, I'll do not paid. Again, this order is finished. I'll save it as number 3 order and I'll show you how the receipt look like. So again, this is the receipt and the signature on the bottom. Okay, so in the order list, you will see all the order list. You can search the order job by the customer name. So if you want to search Ahmed, you write Ahmed, it will only show the Ahmed order. You can search by job ID. For example, on the receipt, there's a job ID. You can write 11 and it will search only the order, which is 11, or you can search by date as well. So you can edit any job. For example, this Ahmed order, you want to make some changes, you can edit. It will show you what are currently inside. If you want to make changes anything in the job, for example, repair or model or color, you can click on job and it will show you all everything. You can make changes here, continue, and then press pay. And if it still is not paid, you press not paid. If they are paying at this stage, you can press cash or credit card. If, for example, if they're paying cash, 50 pound note, you can do cash, and then it will show you the change in the paid amount as well. So this is how you take order and how do you book job. If you want to see the end of the day sales, you can go to manager, you can go to reports. In the reports, you will see all the cash paid, not paid sale, and cash sale as well. And everything is there. And if you're VAT register, you can start calculating the VAT as well. At the moment, I've disabled the VAT. You can do cash up as well. So if you want to count how much money you got until, you just give the quantity here and press calculate. It will tell you total amount in the draw and then compare it with your sale amount and tell you the difference as well. You can print this as well. If you want to print the end of the day, you can press X report. X report will print this information. If you press Z report, it will print and reset the sales to 0 as well. Uh, if you want to add something new, for example, in parts, you want to add something here, you can go to manager, go to pause items, and then go to parts and press the add button, give the product name, let's say tube, and give the price. You can type it with capital as well, department, which department it belong, and then retail price, and then press save and it will be added to the parts category. So if I go back and click on parts, the tube is there as well. Later you can put the picture on tube as well. So if you want to add a picture, you can go to pause items, you can download any picture from internet, and then you click on tube, press settings, click on this button, find the picture, for example, whatever you want to upload here, let's say this picture, and press save, and it will be added uh, on the button as well. Okay, if you want to delete any products, you can go to pause items. Again, you go to parts, click on the product you want to delete, and press the delete button, and that's it. You can also use the stock feature as well. To use the stock feature, when you're adding a product, for example, when we're adding this product, we need to give exact stock in quantity here and press save, and then you need to enable the stock feature. So active stock in the settings, active stock, and press save. Then it will start deducting the product when you sell it. If you don't want to use the stock for now while you're learning the software, leave it as it is, and you can always start using the stock feature later. Uh, if you are adding anything that's got the barcode, for example, the barcode is 1 to 1, you just scan the barcode. It will automatically ask you, do you want to add this product? So as soon as you scan something which is not in the system, it will ask you, do you want to add this product? You press yes, and then you give a product name. For example, the product is called lights, and then which department it belongs. You can later make more departments as well. So at the moment, I'll just add it to accessories. Retail price 2.99, and then press save. This is now saved. So if you scan this product again, it will come into the card. You don't need to press the button. So as soon as you scan it, it will go to the card as well. If you're adding any product that's got uh, barcode, the best thing to do, instead of adding it in the categories like accessories or parts or labor, I'll make one new category called barcode. So I'll add a category called barcode, and then save. So there's a new category here. So any product that's got barcode on it, you need to add it on a barcode category. So it will not appear as a buttons here, because if you make it as a button, then there's no point of scanning the barcode. You can see on a screen button. So the best thing to do is don't put any barcode products in these category, the buttons category. Only add it in a category called barcode. So if I add something in barcode now, lights, and I'll add it retail price 25, and department I can give it to accessories. Save. Now this product is in the system. I'll give the barcode 123. So now this product is in the system, but it's not, you can't see, it's not visible as a button. So if you go and see in every category, there's no product called lights, but if you scan the barcode, it will come to the card as well. You can add more department as well. To add more department, you need to go to pause items, go to departments, and then you can add, press add, write the new department name, and press save. That's all you need to do to add a new department as well. And the reason for department is, at the end of the day, when you do the sales analysis, you can see your sales by department. So when you go to sales analysis, you can see department wise sales. So at the moment we just sold one product from helmet, so it's just showing uh, from the department helmet. If we assign everything to the right department, like all the accessories, at the moment it's not assigned to any department, so I'll assign it to accessories. So I'm opening every product and assigning it to accessories department. So when you're creating a product, you need to assign it to the right department. It will help you identify which product are selling more, and at the end of the day, you can do a proper sales analysis. So I've added all the products that belongs to the accessories department, accessories category, to a department called accessories. Now, if I sell something from accessories, we sold 5 products from accessories, and then from helmet we sold 2 products, and then pay I'm not going to print now. So if we go and see the reports, sales analysis, it will show accessories. From accessory you sold 5, 102 pound 96 pence. From helmet you sold 2, 50 pound. If you want to see by product, you can click on product wise, and then it will show you the detail as well. And both these screen you can print it by pressing the print button as well. So again, if you want to add something into department, let's say parts, you want to assign it to parts category. So it's already assigned, so we don't need to do anything. It's parts safe. So I'm going to assign all the parts to parts department. So you can do the sales analysis later. And then I'll check if labor is defined. Yeah, labor edit, we'll do to labor. Okay, so I've stopped the video and I've assigned everything to the right department now. So labor is belongs to the labor department. So if I sell something from labor, I'll do not paid. And then if I see the sales analysis, it will show me labor 5 160, helmet 250, and if we can do product wise as well, and we can export it to Excel as well. To change the user account, you can, if you want to change the password for admin, you just go to users, click on admin, press edit, change the password here, and then press save. Never change the admin username. Always admin username stays admin. Just change the password. For user, you can, for staff, you can change the username as well. So you can give any name, for example, Dave, John, or, and then you can set the password as well. So I think this is the brief demo for now, and then if you have any question, you can call me anytime between 11 in the morning and 6, 7 p.m. in the evening. Check everything properly and try to add all your products, and then give me your suggestion if you want to improve this job part, how to improve it, and we will try to improve it more. But for now, it's fully functional. We have checked there's no issues, no errors in the software. When the delivery driver will come, his name is Omar. He's gonna come and he's gonna install everything, check everything with you, and then you can watch this video and try to do it yourself. On the back screen, I've designed one picture for you. So what we have done, we've designed one picture to be displayed on the back screen. Uh, this picture, I'll show you which one. For now, this picture will come on the second screen. Later, if you want to design something else, you can design it and then we can run it as a slideshow on the second screen as well. But obviously, when you're taking the order, the screen will show the prices to the customer as well. So let me know. I've emailed you the invoice as well. So once he delivered and set up everything, you kindly pay £1,500 in the bank, or if you want to pay by cash, you can pay by cash. I've sent you the VAT invoice already. All the hardware is, again, I'll repeat, 1 year warranty. So you're getting a double screen system with printer, cash drawer, and a barcode scanner. I'm giving you a omnidirectional good barcode scanner. Then you're getting one label printer as well, as agreed. Sign pad was not in the price, so if you want the sign pad, he will bring it with him, and you can keep it for £50. I'm not going to charge you for, it's £90 on Amazon, but I'm gonna give you for £50. Or actually, sign pad, you can keep it free. I'll ask Umar to give it to you free, so you can keep the sign pad as well if you want to use it in future. I hope you will like the system, and don't hesitate to call me if you're stuck somewhere, and make an appointment, and then I'll log in into your system remotely to help you with anything or answer any questions you may have. Thank you.